Hi, it's Joseph here. Joseph here. Just wanted to address some issues of today. There'll be more issues later, but today there's an issue about my, you know, 2.5 acres of land. I have as a natural biosphere, or it's a small area that animals come together and live in a natural habitat. So it's something that's good for the community. Anyway, I have raptors flying crosshairs on my property because the critters are getting so fat and juicy. All the squirrels and rabbits and groundhogs and um, what else they have around here? So many other type of critters they have. They get fat and juicy, and the raptors love hunting over here. I mean, it's fabulous hunting area for them because they can eat those kind of critters. Every once, twice a day, or maybe two, three times a day, until they get themselves a giant, a more proficient meal. But if they go throughout the day with just one critter, that's doing good for the raptors over here. So they hunt all the time. Anyway, my property is more natural for that, so I leave it that way. I'm not doing too much landscaping on it. But I do cut the grass when it needs to be cut. Anyway, this natural biosphere is attracting some critters from all over, and this is a favorite hunting ground to the raptors, the peregrine falcons, and rail-tail hawks, and maybe some uh, turkey hawks. I think they call them. Yeah, they're nearby here too, and they some good hunters. And I seen them kill some animal out there and ate them up. All of the horde just came down, flew right beside them, started eating them up. Um, a few days later, it wasn't but fur and bones. So this is my natural habitat in my backyard, in my front parts of my front yard, and it's something that I'm proud of. So I'm putting it on film. I'm letting people know this is something that I do as an amateur horticulturist. And I have a pond back there, and I have to get the tall grass cut from around it. But the pond, it's turning into a stream in the future. And there's a little stream flowing up under our property. And the stream is flowing north. And there's only a few streams and rivers in the world that flow north. So this this is some I feel this is a property that was designed to live in, since my ancestral background includes some heritage of Egyptian blood. So that's something that I would definitely want to keep close to my life. You know, living as close to rivers and streams that flow in that direction as possible. And, recognizing my ancestral background as such. So that's something that's dear to me and something that I like. And I'm getting into yoga more and more. I might try get a yoga certification, but first I have to get this um, not vegan but more vegetarian type meal that I'm doing lately. You know, more veggies, definitely more fruit, and less red meat. So that is something that I'm automatically doing while I'm doing this yoga. So it's something, a certificate, that's something that came to mind. So um, I'm going to keep these things close, and I will keep in tune. And hopefully I can get some footage of the raptors doing hunting crosshairs on my property. That's a beautiful thing to see. Okay, Joseph, we'll talk to you later.